Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Legacy battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and some anti-corrosion grease. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from any battery acid or debris during the process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove its cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, attach the negative terminal last, securing it tightly to complete the electrical circuit safely. You're almost done. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to prevent future buildup. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and completely secure. A loose connection can cause issues. Finally, start your Subaru Legacy to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.